Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are just going to put a power window for XC model Altroz. So this is the Altroz, and here is our Rajesh bhai. He came from Delhi, and you can see this is a base model. So here only first front power button will be there, and we need to install further here. So you can see this will be manual one. So we will be modifying it as a like top one model. So power window we are going to install in this vehicle. Okay, so here we will be giving you the front control as like top model here. So this is the vehicle actually. Hey guys, so finally we have completed installing the power window. So this is the power window switch. We have entirely changed this set. So here if you see the hole will be coming. So here we need to install the ORVM button and all. So ORVM adjustment button will be coming here. So that's why we have that's why we have leave it vacant. Okay, so because like the customer, they are not in plan to modify the ORVM now. In future they will be doing that. Okay, that time we will be installing the switch here, and this entire set we have changed, and from this itself. So initially power window, front power window, it will be automatically coming in this vehicle. This is an base model in Altroz, and rear we will be like checking now. Okay, so I'm just like pushing down. Okay, so you can see the window is coming down. So and now I have and now it's going up. Okay, so now again down. Okay, and up. Okay, so same wise you have to control it from here. So both the back door also we have done here. So this hole it will come because we have removed the manual one, and we have given this switch. So you can see the fit and finish, it's the original Tata one. So from here also you can control, so going down and going up. Okay, so this is the entire modification we have done in this vehicle. Here also you can see, okay, the same thing we have done here. So that's all from this video. We'll see in next video.